This video is for the 5th grade website project assignment 1, create your website. First, you're going to go to Weebly.com and you're going to click sign up in the top right corner. Then click on G+ sign up. Next, you're going to click on your account and click allow. And then you're going to click on not now. Click on other, and then click on the modern and elegant style, and click start editing in the top right corner. Next, you're going to type in what you want the URL or address of your website to be. So you want to do this with no spaces. So for example, Freedom Trail, and I'm just going to put my initials because you need something that it has not already been taken. So for example, it says unavailable if I just do Freedom Trail, but if I do Freedom Trail EF, it says choose instead of unavailable. So I'm going to click the bottom choose button. So you have to click the bottom one and then click on done. Next, what we're going to do is add our partner as an editor. So you're going to click on settings up at the top, click editors, and then click on the add editor button in the top right corner. And you're going to put in your partner's email address. Make sure that you do at hanoverstudents.org and make sure that you spell your partner's email address correctly. And then you'll click on Save Editor at the bottom. Next, what you're going to do is click on Pages. So right now, our website has 5 pages. We don't need 5 pages, so we're going to get rid of the extra pages. We're going to click on where it says Home, click on Delete, and then click on Delete again. You're going to keep the shop page. So now we're going to click on About, click Delete, and click Delete. Click Blog, delete, and delete, and then finally click Contact, click Delete, click Delete. Next, you're going to click on where it says Shop, and we're going to change it so that it has a different header type. So we're going to click where it says No Header and choose Header. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to click on Build up at the top. We're going to rest our pointer on where it says Love Seat and then click on Off. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to click where it says Click Here to Edit. And then you're going to type in the name of your location. So for example, Freedom Trail. Then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down a little bit and we're going to see this click to select products. We're just going to click on that. And you're going to see a little X in the top right corner of that little click to select products button. You're going to click on that X and click on delete. Next, we're going to change our picture. So we're going to click on the picture that's there. Click on where it says edit background. Then you're going to click on replace. And from here, what you're going to do is click on search. And then you're going to search for a picture. So for example, I'm going to type in Freedom Trail, and then you're going to click on where it says explore free photos. So anyway, then I'm going to find a picture that I like. And so then from that point, what we'll do is click on that picture. So for example, I'm going to use this picture. So I'm going to click on select. And then you do have the option to move the picture around. So for example, I'm just going to click and drag so that we can see the Freedom Trail seal on the ground. You do have the option to darken it. If it's hard to read your text, what you should do is click on where it says 0% for darken and maybe darken it to about 50% so that we can see the text a bit better, and then click on save. Okay, so now that we have our picture, we're going to start adding our facts onto our website. So you're going to click and drag a text box into the white space underneath your picture. And next what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new tab, and we're going to click on the 3x3 grid, go to Google Drive. Then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click where it says Search Drive, and we're going to search for our Avoiding Plagiarism document. And so if you just type the word avoiding, it should pop up. You're going to click on the one that has your name and your partner's name on it. So then from here, what you're going to do is make sure that you have your 4 facts written under your version. If you don't have them yet, then you'll finish them. But you can add at least what you have so far if you haven't already finished. So you're going to click in the first copied pasted sentence, and you're going to hit Tab on your keyboard. What that's going to do is it's going to highlight your version. Then from here, you're going to hit Control-C to copy your version. You're going to click back over to the Weebly tab, and you're going to click where it says Click here to edit. We're going to do this in bullet format, so we're going to click on the bullet button, which is the 3 dots with the 3 lines. So now we have a bullet. And then we're going to hit Control-V on our keyboard, and that's going to paste our first fact. I'm going to hit Enter in order to add a new bullet. From here, we're going to click back over to the Avoiding Plagiarism document, and this should still be highlighted. You're going to hit Tab 2 times, 1, 2. That's going to highlight the second sentence. Hit Control-C to copy it, click back to Weebly, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste it. Hit Enter again, so that way you get a new bullet. Click back over to Avoiding Plagiarism, hit Tab 1, 2 times. Third sentence should be highlighted, Control-C. Click over to Weebly and Control-V to paste. Hit Enter to get the last bullet. Click over to your work. And then again, hit Tab 1, 2 times. Highlights the last sentence. Control-C to copy. Click back over to Weebly. And then Control-V to paste. And so now you should have your picture and your 4 facts, and it should be shared with your partner. The last thing we're going to do is click on where it says Pages. We're going to change the name of where it says Shop and just put in the name of our location. So Freedom Trail would go here. Okay, and then just simply click on Build at the top. So now we've got Freedom Trail, our 4 facts, and our picture, and that's it.